Hi guys, welcome back to day 2 of our barn makeover gym cave extravaganza. But anyway, we got the whole team in here working and it looks really good. So yesterday, just to recap, yesterday we did the woolly, and then today we are doing the oxidized metal layer. And there are 2 big old bees. Are those bees? Ooh, need some spray. Anyway, I did not sign up to work with bees. But let me start. They don't want you in. Let me show. That is my new addition to the team. I don't know if y'all can see her. Oh, but let me show you. Here we are. The oxidized metal. It's still a little wet, but it's looking good. We are working today. Yes. Okay, remember what I taught you? Yes, flat. And let the water, let the water take over.
Yeah, I think I need to start a little lower because that's all like
Yeah, and then the water will take over. Look at you, about to be an oxidized metal pro.
Sam, I can do this. You know this. Okay, let's go right there.
Yep, and then just let it run. Don't overblend it. Okay. Water is your friend. Yeah, I like that. Lots of water. Don't overblend though. Are you gonna have a rapper name?
Peaches. I already have rapper names.
Peaches. Okay. We all have to get rapper names.
Do I need to do this part or no?
Yep. The whole wall. So the ladies are hard at work creating this oxidized metal finish. We have Miss Linda and Miss Teresa and Miss Nia and Miss Keshia. She works like she's a hard worker. But yeah, it is looking really good in here. Very rustic. That's what we really wanted. But I love how the Sapphire metallic paint is just falling into every grain. Looks really pretty. So we haven't hit that side of the barn yet. All right, here's another up close look at what we're creating, the oxidized metal in this barn. And yeah, this is a great look over the wood paneling. Turned out really pretty. Or it's turning out really pretty. We're not quite done, but we're hard at work. It looks amazing. Okay, we are finishing up day 2 of our oxidized metal barn makeover. But I did want to show you guys the actual sample that I created for the space. This is it. This is the sample. Just a nice oxidized metal drip. Looks really good on the barn walls. So I really like it. I really like it. Turned out really pretty, and in the way that it's falling on top of the actual wood paneling is kind of dope too. But yeah, that is the actual sample that we prepared. So that's always my tip if you are a decorative artist or you're looking to hire one. If they're not doing you a sample. Oh, all right. So what I was saying was, if you are a decorative artist or you're looking to hire a decorative artist, that person should always be doing samples. That is your insurance, that is their insurance. So if your wall doesn't look like your sample doesn't look like your wall, then you have a problem. So if you are a decorative artist, please do your samples. If you're not doing your samples, start doing them. Don't just show up at your clients' homes hoping that your technique is going to work out right. But anyway, I'm so proud of my sample making. It turned out really pretty. And I can't wait to show you guys the final product, or the final room rather. All right, well, have a great weekend. See ya, bye.